Can you make it better now? Can you sew it up?
No, Juju doesn't have anything to sew it up.
You can pretend.
He'll pretend the Band-Aid.
Can you put a Band-Aid on it now?
He's all exaggerated.
What about this one?
Now the flower means I'm hurt too, okay? Now the flower means I'm hurt too, okay?
Then you need a Band-Aid.
Ooh, your feet are freezing.
It's going to warm up very quick, right?
Let's hope so.
Now Juju's the doctor. And
Juju, you gonna fix Lena and Daddy? Can you help them?
Can you put Band-Aids on them?
You be the doctor? Oh, good job.
Blanket.
Yeah, you're working on the blanket?
Okay, Mommy and Lena.
You're gonna cut Lena?
Ouch. Cut Daddy.
Okay.
Oh, that's big jump ups.
Oh, no. Oh.
Go away. Go away. Leave my prince alone. No.
Would you mind